So let's go with analysis today of the yen. It's the most interesting right now because it's in the fourth deviation zone that we can see. In the fourth deviation zone is what we got, the yen, and we're gonna analyze it according to our the way that we see the market uh, in a whole week here. Like this is the development that it has gone from here. It was the max. It went to the VWAP, and since today at 9 o'clock in the morning, just took off all the way up. Even here at peak, it didn't broke the fourth deviation, so we're good in that way. But here we know that we are looking for the divergency in order to have our entrance. We got it here, so we're gonna analyze right now if it would be a good moment to go inside the market. So let's do it. The price is in the third deviation zone. Yes, it's in the third, four. We know that 90% of the time, if it's in the third, 80% if it's in the third, it's going to go to the VWAP for the weekly season. And there's another 10% here. Look at the margin that we have. So yes, it's in the third deviation zone. Is outside the value area. Yes. Is without the VWAP of last week. No, the VWAP of last week was paid. We can see it here. It has been paid, so no problem at all. We got a ratio benefit risk greater than one. Absolutely. We're gonna put here the stop loss. Look, we only have one here, and look all the win that we can have until the VWAP, if that is our trading. Of course, it's great. It's like 3-1. And the divergency of pressure or price is close in the third deviation zone. Absolutely. Look where it is. Here in the zone, it will be 4,025. I got it for what is 4,025. It's all the way up here. 4,025. There we go. Close in the fourth deviation zone. So we got it. Now, is the value area balanced profile? Is almost. The puck should be around here, so I would take it as a yes. We're gonna take as a yes because it's pretty good. So let's see that yes. Now, is the puck between the price and the VWAP? No, the VWAP broke the puck. Now it's on top. It's closer to the price, so we got that one as a no-go. Are the deviations horizontal like this? No, look, since it took the peak here, it's still going diagonal. So if I have a square here that I have, and we take the ruler, let's take that, we're going to draw a line. If we draw a line from here to here, we will say that this one obviously is diagonal, this is horizontal. According to that, the angle is not diagonal yet, so we can click down as a yes. Is the max of weekly? Yes, weekly season is the max. Now let's go with the range. Do we have agreements pending? Yes. Here it should be a 0. It should be a 0 for those contracts for the bid, so that is a no-go. Now, do we have an increase of the volume? Yes, look, 913 in the last candle, here 2500, so we have a good increase there. Now, is the delta volume greater than 5%? Yes, it's 13. It's a good delta, so we got that one. And now, do we have progressive disinterest? No, we don't. Look, 6 and 24, we got 31. Later we got 73 and 51, 124, and now we go less. It should be bigger, this number. As long as you go to the center of the VWAP, it should be greater, at least in the 4 or 5, depends on your strategy. With 4 with me is okay, but we can see that no, is not good for what we're looking for. Now 235, 417 is okay. So what is my app telling me? That if I could have one more, like, okay, this one, it will be a good market entry. And of course, if I got all of them, but those 2, 3, they're a no-go for our strategy. It might come down and pay, and Who knows? But it looks like the price is still going up here. Now, if you look at the forex, that candle right now is is going green. In the forex, at least, it's going green. So that's the only one that we got today in the yen. If we look at the euro's in second deviation zone, very flat. The British didn't get out. The same as the Canadian. The Swiss all the time parallel, man, to the second. Never heard the third. Never give me the choice there. The Australian and the zone. The New Zealand is not even updated, so it doesn't have gold. Gold has been interesting here. It got a deviation here that it could give it to me. So if we go here to the gold and we look at it where we had that deviation, we gotta see where it was. Where was the max of the season? I have it like a green line here. It will tell me we have to go all the way up because it has been very down. So here in the 63, let me see where it is. It's in that zone. Where I give it? What time? Oh, it's at 12. Okay, 1400. Let's go a little bit more. 12, 12, 12, 12. Here we go. Here. Look what we got. We got here 63. We got no pending. Okay, no pending. Disinterest. Greater volume than the last candle and greater delta. Here we could have seen an entrance, but the VWAP, sorry, the profile was so unbalanced that I just didn't like it. I didn't like it where it go. You see, it went here, it went flat. So it's not giving me the answers that I'm looking for in the gold in order to make the strategy there. The pivots were so weird, and gold right now is almost like hitting the 1900. So I didn't take that choice. I didn't look at it today. I mean, I look at it, but it's the only one that it gave me. Silver has 2 VWAPs under that. It will go down at some point, so there's a lot of accumulations. But that's all we got today. The yen, I'm still waiting. I think like maybe in 2 hours it will hit here the max, and from here when it goes to the market in Europe, it will hit down. I really have faith that they put the price, they manipulate the price to go here up, and it will be a good opportunity tomorrow, Friday, to go short. Let's see how it goes, and we'll see. We post it tomorrow. Have a good one.